Do that. So in alphabetical order, we have Cameron Chang here from Lake Highland Preparatory School. He's closer to the audience in the first row. There you go. That's the spirit. Franklin Eastine from Windermere Preparatory School. Ross ZeZhong from Haggerty High School. He's in the back row, closer to the audience. And ZeZhong Young from Lake Mary Preparatory School. Very good. Now you see half the people left, so you have to cheer twice as loud from now on. Or maybe even a higher factor, I don't know. All right, so like I said, no practice question, we're going right to it. What is the nickname for the state of Florida? Is it the blizzard state, the ice storm state, the occasional thunderstorm state, or the sunshine state? I have a feeling that 4 people chose D. They did, and is that correct? Yes, they did. Very good. Everyone get 100 points. Nice. All right. Question 2. How many positive integers less than 100 are divisible by 7? 13, 14, 15, or 16? 4 people pick 14. I have a good feeling for that one too. Yes, that is correct. Very good. Nice going. So, ZeZhong, you switched to 14, use the microphone.
Okay. Yeah.
What did you think it was to start with?
Well, I just times the biggest number, which is 7 times 14, which is 98. Yeah.
But you picked something before that, didn't you? Because it looked like you switched.
Yeah, I just look at 13 first, and then, well, okay, 91. Yeah.
But one more fit in. That's right, that's exactly right. All right, nice going. Thank you, ZeZhong, for the explanation. And thanks, congratulations to everyone for getting right. And then just like in game 1, we'll show the scores at the halfway point and then for every question after that.